Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Foothill Oak Elementary School, home of the Roadrunners in Vista, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. And I've been here many times in the past, visited their school virtually too for the after-school program. And I'm here during Red Ribbon Week. We see on the wall behind me, it says, "We're together, making a difference." A lot of the handprints of various students from around the school community and some red yarn to kind of represent the red ribbon. And the whole idea is that we are choosing to respect ourselves, right? That self-respect by making sure that we're staying drug-free, making healthy choices, but are also choosing to respect others, to be violence-free, hatred-free, right? Have a bully-free zone here at the school. There's red ribbons also tied all across campus. You can see up and down here. And I'm outside of the NPR where I just held one of the assemblies that I had today for all grades that were part of that after-school program. And the main focus was on respect, right? On the fact that we're all miracles, like my shirt says, and I mention this in all of my assemblies, but we're all miracles, right? That we all have the letter M on the palm of our hands with the lines of our hand. And if we look close enough, right, we have at least one on each hand. I traced one of mine here. And this M stands for miracle, right? Sometimes a faint line connects it. But again, like the front of my shirt, means that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love, though upside down for W, worthy, that we're all worthy of love to both give it and receive it. And the cool thing about, respect, just like a candle, lighting another candle, it doesn't lose any of its flame or any of its fire. And it's the same thing that if we show that respect, we don't lose any of the respect that we have inside of us, right? We're just trying to spread that onto someone else, right? To make sure that everybody's treated equally and that we really try to see that worth inside of everybody. So once we understand that we're miracles, we have to go be that light to other people's hearts to be able to make sure that they realize and comprehend that as well. And through a series of heartfelt stories today, through some interactive exercises with the students, some motivational videos, some positive music, they really got that point, right? We had a little feedback session afterwards and they understood that we need to be more kind, we need to be more nice, that everybody's beautiful, everybody deserves that love, and we can be the ones that start to change this world if we just change ourselves, right? First and foremost. And so this being a Leader in Me school, it's always an honor to visit these types of schools because this means that they're really focusing on, what it means to be a leader, right? There's no right way to be a leader and there's no wrong way to be a leader as long as we're doing something positive for this earth. So just an inspiring day, inspiring afternoon for me to come back and visit some familiar faces here at Foothill Oak. And get to see some new ones too. But the bottom line is that so many students said, "Mr. Peace, you really touched my heart." If something did touch your heart, that means you have a big heart. Now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward. So thank you guys again for letting me come speak to you. It was a great day. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist for some additional motivation. And you can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.